Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we delve into innovative and practical approaches to modern farming. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic: the potential earnings you can achieve by raising 5 landrace pigs. Pig farming has long been recognized as a rewarding agricultural venture, and with the right strategies, it can offer impressive returns. As we break down the numbers and share valuable insights, consider how this opportunity could fit into your own farming journey. Landrace pigs are a distinctive breed known for their long bodies, white coats, and large, floppy ears. They are highly valued by pig farmers due to their excellent mothering abilities and high fertility rates. Landrace pigs also grow quickly and produce lean, high-quality meat, making them a popular choice in commercial pork production. Their adaptability to various farming systems further enhances their appeal, contributing to their widespread use around the world. When considering the purchase of 5 landrace piglets, the initial investment largely depends on current market prices and the quality of the animals. On average, each piglet can cost between $80 and $120, making the total investment for 5 piglets range from $400 to $600. Prices may vary based on factors such as age, health status, and breeder reputation. It's advisable to source piglets from reputable breeders or certified farms to ensure healthy stock and reduce the risk of disease. Visiting local farms, checking online agricultural marketplaces, and seeking recommendations from experienced farmers can help you find reliable sources and competitive prices. Raising landrace pigs involves several key expenses that are important to consider. Feed is typically the largest ongoing cost, as pigs require a balanced diet for healthy growth. Housing expenses include constructing and maintaining shelters that protect the animals from harsh weather and provide adequate space. Healthcare costs cover vaccinations, routine checkups, and treatments for illnesses or injuries. Additionally, labor costs arise from daily tasks such as feeding, cleaning, and monitoring the pig's well-being. To ensure healthy growth and maximize profits, animals or crops require optimal living conditions tailored to their specific needs. This includes maintaining appropriate temperature, humidity, and ventilation levels, as well as providing access to clean water and high-quality nutrition. Regular monitoring for signs of disease or stress is essential, along with timely vaccinations or pest control measures. Daily care routines should involve cleaning living spaces, checking equipment, and recording growth or production data to track progress. By consistently meeting these requirements, productivity can be enhanced while minimizing losses. Landrace pigs are known for their efficient growth and adaptability. Typically, piglets are weaned at around 3 to 4 weeks of age and begin a rapid growth phase. By the time they reach 6 months old, most landrace pigs will weigh between 220 and 250 pounds, which is the common market weight. Throughout this period, they gain approximately 1.5 to 2 pounds per day under optimal conditions. This predictable growth timeline makes landrace pigs a popular choice for commercial pork production. When selling 5 mature landrace pigs, revenue can be generated from several key streams. The primary source is meat sales, as each pig can yield a significant amount of pork that can be sold fresh or processed. Additionally, selling some pigs as breeding stock to other farmers can command higher prices, especially if the animals have desirable genetics. Byproducts such as organs, hides, and bones can also be sold to specialty markets or used in the production of items like pet food and leather goods. Together, these streams contribute to the overall profitability of raising and selling mature landrace pigs. Current market prices for pork and related pig products play a crucial role in determining the profitability of pig farming operations. When pork prices are high, producers can achieve better margins, especially if feed and operational costs remain stable. Conversely, a drop in market prices can significantly reduce profits or even lead to losses, particularly if input costs rise simultaneously. Additionally, the demand for byproducts such as bacon, sausages, and lard can also influence overall revenue streams. Monitoring these price trends helps farmers and businesses make informed decisions about production levels and market strategies. To estimate net profit for small-scale pig farmers, We begin by calculating total revenue from the sale of pigs. Next, we subtract all operating expenses, including feed, veterinary care, housing, and labor costs. For example, if a farmer earns $10,000 from pig sales and incurs $7,000 in expenses, the net profit would be $3,000. This figure offers a realistic snapshot of potential earnings, though actual profits may vary depending on market prices and farm efficiency. Understanding these numbers helps farmers make informed decisions about their operations. Maximizing earnings in livestock farming involves a combination of smart practices. Efficient feeding strategies, such as providing balanced diets and minimizing waste, help animals grow faster and healthier, reducing overall costs. Disease prevention is equally important. Regular vaccinations and maintaining clean living conditions can prevent costly outbreaks. When it comes to marketing, building relationships with buyers and exploring different sales channels, like local markets or online platforms, can help secure better prices. By focusing on these areas, farmers can improve productivity and profitability. Pig farming often presents several challenges, including disease outbreaks, high feed costs, and inadequate housing. To address these issues, farmers can implement regular vaccination programs and maintain strict hygiene standards to prevent illness. Utilizing locally available feed resources and formulating balanced diets can help reduce expenses while promoting healthy growth. Properly designed shelters protect pigs from harsh weather and minimize stress. By adopting these practical solutions, farmers can improve productivity and secure a more sustainable income from pig farming. Across the country, many farmers have found remarkable success by raising landrace pigs. For example, Sarah Thompson from Iowa reports that her herd's adaptability led to lower feed costs and healthier animals, significantly boosting her farm's profitability. In North Carolina, the Martinez family credits landrace pigs for their rapid growth rates and high-quality meat, which has attracted premium buyers. These stories highlight how landrace pigs can transform small and large farming operations alike, offering both economic and practical benefits. Raising 5 landrace pigs can offer a promising earning potential, especially when managed efficiently. By focusing on proper nutrition, healthcare, and optimal breeding practices, farmers can maximize growth rates and market value. The initial investment may be significant, but with careful planning, the returns can outweigh the costs. Embracing smart farming techniques, such as record keeping and modern feeding methods, further enhances profitability. Considering these strategies can help farmers achieve sustainable and rewarding outcomes. Thank you for watching and spending your time with us today. We value your thoughts, so feel free to share your experiences or any questions you may have in the comments below. Your insights help us grow and improve our community. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated with the latest in SMART-AGRI Hub developments, consider subscribing for more informative insights.